Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this delicious Guyanese garlic pork or pickled pork. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have some pork shoulder already washed and pat dry. I'll be using some thyme, garlic, some wiri peppers and chili peppers. Any hot pepper would be fine. I have a cinnamon stick, some star anise cloves, allspice, some salt, sugar and vinegar. So basically I chopped my thyme, peppers and garlic in my small chopper. You can do this by hand, but do not blend it. Like, you don't want it pureed. You just want it to be chopped finely. Once it is done, we will proceed to the next step. Next, you want to go ahead and add it to your pork and make sure that everything is well combined. Today I'll be using a mason jar. We will add our vinegar, salt, sugar, and the spices in here. I will add the correct measurements that I use listed down below. So once everything is added, just give it a stir and set that aside. Next, we're going to add the pork to the pickled solution and make sure it's nicely submerged. So I just went ahead and added a bit more vinegar just so the meat can be nicely submerged. Now we are going to cover this and place it in the refrigerator for about 5 days or so. After about 5 days, we'll pour off the liquid, and you just want to discard all of that garlic and the herbs and stuff because that will mostly get burnt when we're frying it. So, we have no more uses for that. It's already served its purpose. So just go ahead and discard it as much as you can. And you want to make sure that all the vinegar is out, and we will pat the meat dry when we're done. Like I said, you want to get a paper towel and you want to pat your meat dry because we want it to be fried nice and crispy on the outside, but soft and tender on the inside. Next, I'll go ahead and just season it a little bit with some salt, complete seasoning, and black pepper. I will add a little bit of oil first to allow the seasonings to adhere, and we will just add it in. Make sure that everything is nicely combined, and we will use our air fryer to fry this up. I had a lot of questions when I made my last garlic pork if an air fryer can be used. And I decided to show that yes, it can. So here I placed the first batch into my air fryer, and it's preheated to 375. We'll go ahead and fry this up for about 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. We remove it and add the second batch, fry it for another 10 minutes, and that's basically it, guys. The garlic pork is all done. When I tell you, it smells so delicious. It was amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.